This is Daniel from No Cabin Fever today, and
Hi, Daniel.
We have Justine and Stefan from Beecom, and they will tell us
Hello.
today a little bit about a review and use multiple Jira instances from one driver seat and how to use Federation Jira. And without further ado, I'd like to hand over.
Thank you, Daniel. Let me just press play. Great. Hi, everyone. I hope you had a nice Easter break and you're resuming your work with renewed energy. I know it's tough in these times and the weather here in Switzerland is beautiful, but hang in there, we'll make it. And thank you very much to our hosts from Scandio, K15T and Kreuzwerker for organizing these No Cabin Fever Today talks. It's such a great idea. I'm Justine from Beecom, and I'm originally from Sydney, excuse me, and I'm now based in Zurich. And this is a picture of our founders, Fabian Hediger on the left, Andreas Heim in the middle, and Andreas Ziltner on the right. And they're on stage at our annual World Web Forum Business Conference, which I'll get to later. Also on this call is Stefan Forsmoser, our VP of Engineering, to address any technical questions that you might have at the end of the presentation. Our mission at Beecom is to enable teams to succeed with radical change. And what radical changes we've seen in the last few weeks. Most of us are working from home, trying to stay productive and sane, whilst likely surrounded by family and partners trying to do the same. So I'm here today to talk about an app in Jira that can help you with that, especially if you or your clients have multiple Jira instances. Could you indicate with a show of hands or a thumbs up if you're dealing with multiple Jira instances or helping clients deal with multiple Jira instances? Okay, cool. Well, just a bit of context about who we are and how we came to produce this app. Some of you may already know Beecom as the creators of JSU, Automation Suite for Jira Workflows. It's a Jira workflow automation toolset that will let you achieve more automations from fewer configurations, all without coding. We were the original no-coding workflow automators since 2009, and we can uniquely allow users to specify preconditions for your post functions. The app is available on server, data center, and cloud. For those of you already using JSU or familiar with JSU, our most recent feature updates include the ability to add fine-tuned details to perform post functions in issues, like creating comments and configuring fields. Also, a new user selection condition upon transitions, and preconditions to post functions also available on cloud now. Can we also have a show of hands by pressing the raise hand button in your Zoom panel with who is familiar with JSU? Great. So for those of you who are curious about the latest features and updates, please head to Marketplace and just check out release schedule or ping me to be added to our newsletter. With 13 million users and over 18,000 active installations, our many JSU fans have named us the app that you'll sooner or later need. So check it out if you already don't have it. But we're here today to talk about multiple Jira instances. Can I also have a show of hands again? Who has to work with multiple Jira instances, whether on server or cloud, data center, or all three? Well, sometimes Jira administrators and managers, both new and experienced ones, just want to have a bird's eye view of everything that's happening. So if you're a company or enterprise, or your clients are companies working with multiple Jira instances scattered across server and cloud, it can be quite difficult and confusing and time-consuming to navigate between all of them. So what we've created is a solution called Federation for Jira, which allows you to view and use multiple Jira instances from one driver's seat, so you can organize, plan, and make better decisions. So how does it all work? Well, to synchronize and migrate all the Jira instances into a single one could take days, and you're very likely to make mistakes and have overlaps. It's not an ideal situation. But with Fed, you can save a lot of time switching around between different Jira instances. It brings everything to view on one dashboard. And here's how it works. Firstly, to build your Jira federation, all you need are application links between your Jira instances. The Fed for Jira app will do all its communication over these application links. So once you've installed Fed in your Jira server or data center instance, you can already collect and combine data from multiple remote cloud and server Jiras. They will then synchronize automatically. Then, using search filters, you can create a federal view of your multiple Jira instances, regardless of where they're hosted. This will show on your window as a single dashboard view. We also have a cool demo video and a step-by-step configuration guide on our documentation to help you set up your federal view. And if any of you have questions about this, we're happy to take questions at the end, and Stefan, our VP of Engineering, can also help understand the technical aspects of this. So now you know the top line of JSU and Fed, but at Beecom, we're also an Atlassian Platinum Solution partner, and we serve clients in Switzerland. We were actually one of the first Atlassian partners worldwide since 2004. And if you're ever in Switzerland, or you have some business in Switzerland you need help with, please do give us a call. And going back to the beginning, you'll remember that slide with our founders. That was taken at our annual event, World Web Forum, which actually started as an Atlassian user group in 2007, and now an annual leadership conference that hosts 1,500 business leaders every year. Over the last 8 years, we've had the likes of Werner Vogel, CTO of Amazon AWS, leaders from Atlassian, as well as Steve Wozniak, the co-founder of Apple. So this is an event that draws a lot of great tech people over to Switzerland. And during this event, we also host Beecom Teams on Tour, where we can deep dive with partners into the Atlassian ecosystem. You're all very welcome and warmly invited to this, so sign up to our newsletter to stay connected. And finally, if you're in Zurich, we'd be very happy to take you through some more demos and to show you our lovely office. So just contact us here. Take a screenshot if you need to. And follow us on social. Any questions, please? So yeah, please, it's available for evaluation download, a license download on Marketplace. So go and check it out. We're very open to feedback as well. So if there's something on there that, that you need to have some help with, contact us on Service Desk for support, and also reach out if you have some feedback for improvements. Be very happy to hear from you.
Okay, so as there are no other questions, then thank you all for joining today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow when we have Christina Schantine from Comunado telling us about bring your process to life, process management with Confluence and Commander document management. Thanks again for joining, and tune in tomorrow. See you, take care, bye-bye.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, thank you.